Okay, I'm here at the Anthony Welded Products booth. I got Joey Salvucci, 4th generation Salvucci in the house. Talk to us about what you guys are focused on in 2026.
Well, everyone knows our carts are obviously a big part of our business, but we're really trying to showcase, and this is something we showed off in this pamphlet, is we're also big into liquid. We're big into cradles, pallets, cages, and racks. So, I mean, you'll see back here, we have a pallet and a big cradle. That's our 6-pack. Yeah, we're just trying to showcase that, you know, we're a lot more than carts. We have a lot of range of product. We want to be a one-stop shop for our distributor. So, yeah, if you have any questions, please reach out to us about everything, including carts as well.
Nice. And what would be something that maybe sets you guys apart from some of your competitors?
Two major things I think are, one, having 2 shipping locations, which for sure cuts down on freight. As we all know, this stuff is really heavy. Freight can add up, and that will affect the bottom line. So having 2 shipping locations cuts down on that transit time, makes it easier, as well as lead times. That's a big part. Our shipping operations and our lead times are much shorter because, you know, we have very streamlined operations inside the shops. So people do appreciate that about our business, and they've come to know that we'll always get things out pretty quickly once receiving the order.
Love it. We covered the cradle, but talk to us about the 3-in-1 cart we got it back here. What would you say to distributors of why it's so special?
So yeah, back here we have our 3-in-1 cart. Obviously you can see I can rotate that pretty easily. I don't have to tilt it back. You got the front casters, which is our patent. Those can actually be popped out. The other 2 features of the 3-in-1 are the bracket that holds the cylinders in place, as well as the chain. Normally in a cart you usually have one or the other, but we included both just to cut down on the number of SKUs that a distributor will have to carry. It's at the same cost, so that makes it easier in that sense. And yeah, no, it's just a very versatile cart, and it makes it much easier for the distributor to carry than having all these different options.
Love it. There you go. Quick update here from Joey from Anthony. Always great to see you, Nick, Elsie. Arthur is now at the shows. What's up? Thank you for everything that you do for us at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole.
Thank you guys.